for like the past year, and I'm looking for that downtrend to continue. We have some new lows compared to the lows in 2014, so we will see if price stalls out here or not. Looking at it here on the daily time frame, you can see that prices bounced off of this zone at 54.11 down to 52.72, and I'm looking for a healthy retracement right now. Looking for price to move back up here to this aqua level at 56.14. So over the course of this coming week, and that's what we're doing here, is we're looking at the coming week's price action and looking to forecast that out. I'm looking for price to move all the way up to this point and then back down. That's where we are looking to go with all of this, and we will see how it all happens. Looking at the 60-minute time frame, you can see the different levels that we have. So we have a few different resistance levels that prices really have to power through here to get up into the areas of interest that we're looking at. And again, we're looking for this week for price to be moving to the upside here. And I would really like to see us do another bounce here at the 56.17. And just to see what that looks like. But first we have to move through these two aqua levels, and I think that can easily happen to the upside here. Again, if we take a look at the daily time frame, you can see that we do have a little bit of space to move to the upside there, and this is, again, the area that we're looking to see price give this nice little bounce, and then, technically speaking, we would like to see it, or I would like to see it come back down one more time. So I'm looking for price to be on the rise this week and to really figure out how strong this aqua level is. But we are at these lows down here. Price has failed to break a new low here. We can easily see price coming back up here to supply, up to where is high before coming back down low in this overall downtrend. Looking here at Walmart here on the weekly time frame, you can see that price has slowly meandered up to 78, and we're inside this weekly supply zone now. Right below us we have a newly formed weekly demand zone, so it could be an area that we kind of can chop around a little bit. As you can see, we have some previous lines drawn here from previous weeks where we analyze this market, but it's pretty much just going back and forth, kind of like what we're thinking. So let's go ahead and go down to the daily time frame to get a more in-depth analysis here. Looking at the daily time frame, you can see that we are up high, and as price is oscillating up here in the daily and weekly supply levels, this really isn't a good time to buy. Now, on the elite system, it is saying that our trend is up and trendy. So what we want to be doing here is basically waiting if you're trying to join the trend. I want to be buying low, which would be down here at the 75.40 down to 74.42. Not trying to buy up here where we're at the highs. If anything, right up here is where you'd be wanting to sell in a counter trend direction, okay, if the trend is truly up. And again, this is confluence of weekly and daily supply, so we could see another push down, but we really need to wait and see how does price handle this retest of that previous high up there, okay? Is it going to break? Or is it going to fail? We don't know that yet, okay? So as soon as we know that, and as soon as we pretty much go below this little low down here, that's where I could think that we would see another push back down here into the 75.40 area. Looking at the 60-minute level, you can see a few different zones being formed here. And again, this just really reiterates the uptrend, and this is the smaller time frames. This is all the new support levels being put in place. So things still look very bullish on this market. I don't think we've found the high here, and today we just broke the high from a few days ago, from last week basically. So I'm thinking everything is going to be happening here to the upside, and we're going to continue to the upside.